The main thing is you have to have a workflow, and the workflow is probably the most important thing that keeps you organized and it keeps you on track, and it makes sure that you don't miss any phone calls. Within our back end system, we're able to track audio calls. We can make audio calls. All of our incoming and outgoing calls are date and timestamp. We're able to send out the text messages, and we can receive incoming text messages from our potential clients. The third thing is we're able to send out the mailers, and it's probably one of the most important things. We're able to send the mailers out so that once we send the mailers out, 2 days later we do a 2 day follow up on a second mailer. And the third thing is probably the most important thing, is that along with the audio phone calls, we can do video phone calls and we can do conference calls on there. So we got a client. So one of my virtual assistants has a potential client on the phone. They can conference me in on that call, and I can go ahead and take over that call like we do a lot of the times. And we're able to close these individuals or schedule an appointment with them so that we could move in the right direction of getting them absolutely involved in the process so I can get in front of them. I don't like to close people on the phone. My main thing is because I work on the East Coast and I'm able to travel within a 4 to 5 hour drive from where all of my customers are at. So we're able to meet with them on a face-to-face basis and get them closed within a 24 to 48 hours.